The for the first experiment we had to do for this project, we decided to stain 4 pieces of cotton fabric with beetroot and then try to clean them with 3 different products, which were Pinol, coconut milk, shampoo, and Mascolor as the biodegradable one. And we wanted to see if the biodegradable one would clean it better than the rest because of its properties. So the independent variable on this experiment are the water, the cotton fabric, and the beetroot stain because it was the same. And the dependent variable is how well it will be cleaned within 2 minutes. That was the time that we established.
The procedure was, well, first to stain the pieces of cotton, and after staining them, we will get them into the washing place in order to
Rinse them?
Yeah, to rinse them. So first we will put some water on it, and then the product, and then for 2 minutes we will scrub them until the time passes. And for example, this is the water, the only water.
It was like a control group.
Or control group. And after that we wait until they dried, and we compare the results.
Well, our experiment was to have 4 plants of the same type in the same recipe to avoid using different type of materials. So we use like a type of crystal. So first I add the 4 plants. Our 4 products were Pinol, coconut shampoo, Mascolor as the biodegradable one, and also only water. For the first step, I get the soil and the 4 plants at the same time, and the soil was all the same of the type. So so the first plant has a weight of 4.8 grams, and it has 6 leaves. So the first amount of soil that I add was 7.2 grams, and I also add like a tablespoon of water. So then I add another 5.9 grams of soil, and then another 2 tablespoons of water. Then the second plant has 6 leaves. It has a weight of 1.2 grams, and I do the same. I add the 7.2 grams of soil, the 1 tablespoon of water, and then another 5.9 of soil, and the other 2 tablespoons of water. The third plant has 9 leaves, and it has a weight of 2 grams. I add the same amount of water and soil. And then finally, the fourth plant has 7 leaves, and it has a weight of 1.6 grams. And I add the same amount of oil or water at the same time. So first, I have all the 4 plants have 5 milliliters of water that I add in the morning and night every 12 hours. So the first plant has only 5 millimeters of water that it gets in the morning and the night. The second plant has 2 milliliters of water and 3 milliliters of Mascolor as the biodegradable one. The third plant has 2 milliliters of water and 10 milliliters of Pinol, and the last one, fourth one, has 2 milliliters of water and 2 milliliters of shampoo coconut oil. All these meditions of milliliters, I do it with a pipette to be more efficient. Well, then the plant has changes actually. For example, the plant with the Mascolor, what was supposed to be biodegradable, it has start to appear white spots on the leaves. The one with water really got great. It started to get more leaves also. The plant with the coconut oil, it was good actually. It was very similar results as the one with the water. The only difference is that they start to have a lot of white things, like one spot of white. And the plant with the Pinol, it started going down. The root of the stem of the plant started going brown.